If you guys want to see more of this look, definitely stay tuned. So some of the product that I bought today was some liquid latex, and then I have this awesome Mermaid palette. It's really pretty because it has glitter, and then it has some diamonds, rhinestones, and then a little color palette for the face, you know, to trace it on with the stencil. And then I have some awesome crayons to help with the melting side of my face, and also has some blue in there, so I could probably use that like for my mermaid side. And then what's a little blood for Halloween, you know, gotta do that to complete my look a little bit. And then last but not least, I have some awesome, really pretty glittery lashes, so I'll definitely be using that today. And I also have tissue because I researched like how to really like apply latex and how to make it like more scabby and whatnot. So I have some tissue. I actually have some house like toilet paper tissue, and then like I'm gonna probably rip it. And then I have some Victoria's Secret tissue. Who knew that their tissue would come in handy, you know? So I have that. So let's get started on this look, guys. I'm gonna start on the mermaid half. I can't really talk because of the way like how I have this done. This is the end of my tutorial. This is all I could do, so judge me hardcore if you want. I think I did okay, you know. I pulled it off, you know, I have little glitters here and stuff. This is my first time doing anything like this, so don't judge me like too hard, guys, pretty please. But anyway, definitely like and subscribe. You're already here, like this video, and if you're already here, definitely subscribe. If you do not have a YouTube channel, like, what are you doing with your life? What are you possibly doing? Definitely make a Gmail account so you can subscribe to your girl Kayla, and then once you do that, around here, somewhere around here, right, there's a bell. I want you to click that bell so you're curious when the next time maybe Kayla might be doing a new video. You will get notified as soon as I post a new video. Alright, we'll see you guys on the flip side.